Okay, now welcome again to my YouTube channel. Last videos we did about the part 2 of science, which was class B. Now today we are doing the part 3, which is class C. Now class C, I will teach it into part A and part B, because it is too many altogether. Now class C science, all of them, they are called informatory science. Class C science are called informatory science. Class C science are called informatory science. And class C science, they give information only. Class C science, they give information only. They give information only. And now there is when we get there, the groups of class C. So class C science, they give information about two things. They give information about the route that you are using, and also they give information about what is found within where you are driving. It shows also where you think about facilities which you can get within where you are driving. So that's when you get the groups of class C. Group number 1 is this one, they are called what? Route confirmatory science. And the group number 2 is what they are called what? Facility confirmatory science. So under class C science, classes are called informatory. Classes are called informatory science. And informatory science, they give information only. Now we have got two groups of class C science, which are route confirmatory science and facility confirmatory science. Now today, this part A of class C science Part A of class C science, we want to look on route confirmatory science. Let's start with the route confirmatory science. Now here, all the sudden that you see they are green in color, all the sudden that they are green in colors. All the sudden that are green in colors are called trunk roads. And also that are black and white in color, they are called non-trunk roads. They are called what? Non-trunk roads. So here we have got trunk roads and non-trunk roads. Now what's the difference between trunk roads and non-trunk roads? What's the difference between trunk roads and non-trunk roads? Now trunk roads, which are in green in color, trunk roads are long distance traveling road that connects one country to another. They connect continental countries a long distance which connects the one country to another, while non-trunk roads are roads that connect local towns within the country. They don't take you outside the country, which are black and white in colors. So trunk roads are roads joining one country to another, while non-trunk roads are roads joining areas or local towns within a country. Now, and that's when we get 4 types of junction. That's when we get 4 types of junction. That's when we get 4 types of junction. Number 1 is Y junction, then this one is Y. So that's called Y junction. Y junction, T junction, T junction, roundabout junction, and box junction. So, which are on green say, now you say Y junction on trunk road, Y junction on trunk road, T junction on trunk road, roundabout junction on trunk road, box junction on trunk road. They do not go to another. For example, if you follow that road, you go to another country. This one, when you follow this road, you will pass through what? Nakuru, you go to Eldoret, you go to Bungoma, Malaba, to Uganda, they get you to another country. Same this on T junction on trunk road. If you follow this road, Nakuru, it's just the same route. Nakuru, Eldoret, Bungoma, Malaba to Uganda. See there, altogether. This Thika A2. When you go that one, you go from this road, it takes you to Thika, to Garissa. After Garissa, you go to Somali. So that's called what? Route confirmatory. So this one is roundabout junction on trunk road. This one is box junction on trunk road. From Garissa, you go to Somali or South Sudan. And these other ones are called, so this one will be T junction on non-trunk roads because it's not in green. So it is T junction on non-trunk roads. They don't take you to another country, just within a country. This one is T-junction between trunculus and non-trunculus. T-junction between trunculus and non-trunculus. The one is green in color, so they take you to another country from Eldoret, Bungoma, you pass to Malaba to Uganda. Don't just take you to Bungoma direct. So this T-junction between trunculus and non-trunculus. And this one also will be T-junction on non-trunculus. These ones are called root confirmatory signs on trunculus. These ones are called root confirmatory signs on trunculus. This means if you follow that route, you will pass through 3 towns. Then after that, you follow that route to another country. For example, you follow this route, you pass through Savannah, Nyeri, Nanyuki. You go like that up to Ethiopia. They take to another country. Also, this are still called root confirmatory signs on trunculus. You follow that route, you go to another country. Before this one, we go to another country. They take to another country. And these ones are called root confirmatory signs on non-trunculus. Now these ones, they don't take you to another country, just within a country. So just within a country, they didn't take you to another country, but just within a country. So these ones are called root confirmatory signs on non-trunculus. From this time to Nyang is 8 kilometers. They don't take you to another country. From here, if you go that side, you go to that place. Go this way, you go to that place. You go to Kitale, you go that way. But you won't go to another country. If you want to go to Kogoni division, you go that way. Then you go that way. This one is called miscellaneous sign. This one, the LD50 is called what? Miscellaneous sign. Miscellaneous sign. Now, miscellaneous sign, there is approximately distance that you need to cover for you to reach where you are going. Miscellaneous sign, there is approximately distance that you need to cover for you to reach where you are going. It's not a matter that it should be LD50. It might be Nakuru 80 kilometers. It might be Mombasa 400,000 kilometers. It might be Kisumu 800 kilometers altogether. Just call what? Miscellaneous signs. You just see the way they are. They just give the direction. If you want to go to airport 2, go to that direction. Airport 2 to their left, then you go to their right. Free car park to their right. Toilet to their left. Now, Y junction Trunk Road, Y junction Trunk Road, T junction Trunk Road, Roundabout junction Trunk Road, Box junction Trunk Road, T junction and Trunk Road, T junction between Trunk and Trunk Road, T junction and Trunk Road, route confirmatory signs on Trunk Road, route confirmatory signs on Trunk Road, miscellaneous sign, airport 2 to the left, and Rigosto to the right, free car park to the right, toilet to the left. Thank you for watching the now part 3 section B is coming to this is part 3 section A. We have done about just one group, which is route confirmatory signs. So our next we are going to learn about the facility confirmatory signs in the part 3 section B. Thank you.